It's dangerous.
That's none of your business.
Phone down.
That's road rage.
No, I was honking because you're on your phone.
Sometimes I'm required to be on my phone. That's none of your business.
All I see is a driver impeding traffic.
Using the horn of the vehicle is called road rage. I was on that phone because I was making a police-related phone call.
I'll cede to your power. I apologize.
What you're doing is wrong. I don't need you to concede to my power.
I saw a person on the phone. I didn't know you were a cop. You look like a normal car. It's dangerous.
I'm going to write you a ticket for what I observed on Zunai, and we're going to subpoena your camera into court.
Got it.